Hello, Team Edibles. Today I share with you a step-by-step tutorial on how to make fish pie at home. I will also share with you how I made this delicious fish filling and also how I baked with my air fryer. Look at the result. Now let's get started. This is my fish. I'm using salmon. You can use any type of fish of your choice. Now I go ahead, cut what needs to be cut out, and then divide my fish into pieces. Now I get rid of this thing inside. We don't need that. Now I bring my fish into a bowl, add water, and then go ahead, wash the fish, and then bring it into a pan. Here I add salt, onion, and then add water. Go ahead, cover it and bring it to a boil. We will be adding one medium size of onion, one bell pepper, and then carrot. These are the few vegetables we are going to add to our filling. So go ahead and then prep those. We are done with the prepping. Back to our fish, and at this point it's well cooked. Now we bring that on our plate. Remove the bones. We don't need those. I love to use salmon for my fish filling because salmon doesn't have a lot of bones, so that is the reason why I went in for salmon. Okay, so with the help of a fork I go ahead and then mince my fish. Ta-da! Our minced fish is ready. In a pan, I pour in oil and then add my minced fish. I go ahead and then stir fry this for 3 minutes. I'm doing this on medium heat, okay? Here I add salt, chili powder, fenugreek, black pepper, carrots, onion, and then bell pepper. Then we continue the stir fry for additional 3 minutes, still on medium heat, okay? Our filling looks very dried, so here I add a mixture of cornstarch and then the fish stock. I took 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 2 3 tablespoons of the fish stock, just to bring some kind of moist to our filling. And at this point our filling is ready. Very simple and easy to make at home. Now to part 2 of our video. In a bowl I pour in 3 cups of all-purpose flour. I add half teaspoon of baking powder, mix all together. Now I go ahead, add 160 grams of butter and then rub in the butter till we get something like a breadcrumbs. I didn't add salt because my butter is already salted. So if your butter is unsalted, add half teaspoon of salt, okay? Now I add water, mix all together to get a sticky firm dough. Just like what you are seeing on your screen. I'll put this in my refrigerator to rest for at least 20 minutes. It's 20 minutes, guys, and we are back. Here I dust my board with the same type of flour, bring my crust to the board and then divide it into two. We will work one on camera and then the other one off camera. So I dust my rolling pin and then flat the dough. Your crust shouldn't be too thin and it shouldn't be too thick. Something in between is okay. So I check the thickness and it's okay for me. This is my pie cutter. That is actually my cup lid. Ever since I had this cup, guys, I don't have any intention of buying pie cutter. You guys have to advise me. It always does the job for me. So I don't think I'll buy pie cutter now. To assemble your crust, this is what you should do. Sprinkle a flour on one crust like this, and then you put one on top, sprinkle another flour on it, put another one on top. So this is how you should assemble your crust. So we are done here, and these are the sizes we had. That is actually the size of the cup lid, and our fish filling tool is here. So it's time to fill our crust. So just scoop a reasonable amount of the fish filling onto the crust, and then you gently close it just the way you are seeing on your screen. I love to first seal my crust with my index finger, and then I finish that with a fork. So guys, take a close look, almost the same as using a pie cutter. So we are going to repeat the process till all our crusts are filled with our fish filling. This is the rest of our fish filling. You can store this in your freezer, and that can last for months, and then use it at any time you need it. Okay, in a bowl I break in one egg. We only need the egg white. So this is how I separate yolk from the egg white. Then I add 1 tablespoon of evaporated milk, mix all together. We are going to use this to brush on our pie. Somebody may ask, why are we doing this? We want to get, after baking the pie, we want to get a shiny golden color. If you use the whole egg, like together with the yolk and then the milk, then the outcome after baking your pie, the look will be a shiny golden brown color. But if you want a shiny golden color, not golden brown color, then don't add the egg yolk. That is the difference. We are going to use air fryer to bake. It's stated in the user manual that you can use this product to bake, fry, dehydrate, in fact, and many more. I have tried the frying and also the dehydration. Now it's time for baking. Let's see if it actually works. So I set my temperature and also the timer. It's 20 minutes of baking, guys. One reason why I like this air fryer is the fact that you can at least see what is happening to your food. And it's true, just like it's stated in the user manual that you can use it to bake. Yes, it's true, you can use it to bake. So guys, do you also have an air fryer that also does the job for you, just like my own always doing the job for me? Let us know in the comment section. Wow, this is incredible, guys. I love it. I love it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until I see you in my next video, stay blessed. Bye bye.